guys, today we are dealing with the question, which book should I read? So people generally do it the wrong way. They unconsciously read the books which others think that they should read, and this is a highly wrong way because it does not cater your deep core desired feelings or the core desired feelings of things which you want to learn. So this video will help you select a book very consciously, and you would get the right book because of the right intent and right purpose and at the right time. That's now. So let's begin with the video. So I would recommend you to take a pen and paper and get on with the first step of the video. Now when you have taken a pen and paper, I would like you to think what are the qualities which you want to learn, the skills which you want to impart in yourselves, the bad things which you want to remove, whatever is if it can be improving productivity or indulging in creative activities, anything. Please do write them, mention it. You need to do some soul searching because you need to identify the feeling because of which you are feeling that you need to read a book. You need to identify it so that you could cater it and develop that skill or develop that feature or develop that quality in yourselves. It may be a quality like discipline. You can develop that in yourselves and you know where you are wrong. So this soul searching or this thing is very necessary because it deeply caters the question what you want to read, why you need to read. So please do that. So now when you have made a list, it might be long, it might be short, no problem. If it is long, please do take a pen and encircle the 3 most core desired feelings which are most appealing to you and which you really want to impart in yourself or to learn about that. You could sacrifice those things for everything. It must be such differentiating factor. It must be so much high in the priority list because that's what you really and really deeply from within you want to learn, and that's from within. So this will appeal to you. Please do that. So now when you have searched what are the feelings which you want to learn, what are the feelings which you want to remove, what are the beliefs which you want to impart in yourselves, what are the beliefs which you want to remove from yourselves. So now we are here at the next step. The next step is searching. Search on the internet, go on internet or YouTube, go on internet and search like best books for creativity, best books for working under pressure, best books which teach discipline, best books for meditation. Please do that. I know this looks like a long process, but it is like sharpening the axe before cutting the wood because you need to do the preparation. You can invest 10 minutes in finding a book which you are going to read hours later on. So this process will help you change the I have to read it to I want to read it. So please do that. After you have done that, there must be a list of many things which have came across you. Now read those summaries of the books which you think are appealing. Read the books. Read the summary of the books, the backside of the books, the book reviews and everything. And pick up 1 or 2 most relevant thing which you think suits you or resonates you or matches you or appeals to you. You can. So this becomes a list of total 6 items, 6 books. So please do that. So now when you have named 6 books or may I call it 6 authors, I would like you to go on the YouTube and search about the author. Now I would like you to go on YouTube and search about the author. There must be a speech or any intellectual talk by that author. So listen to him. Listen what he says. Is that appealing to you? Is he solving the problems which are your problems? Is he able to convince you? Please do answer these questions because now if he had given a hint of it, he would really help you in understanding or catering your feelings in the book, and every passage will heal you. Instead of you have to read it, it will become you want to read it. So now when you have searched it on YouTube, and if you really liked one, please do pick it and read that. Because if after all these things you liked one book, then that's really a book which you need to read, because it's the right time, the right feeling which you want to learn about, the right skill, the right belief, it's everything right, and the right time is now.